Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how I do this simple little Valentine's Day set. Now right here I will be applying my nails the same way I did in my previous video. I'll be using the full cover tip method, and with the products the only thing different is the full cover tips. Instead of using the Beetles full cover tips, I'm using the Saviland full cover tips. Now typically I do cut them short, but this time they're going to just be a little longer. And then I file, and after I finish filing I get the colors that I'm going to use, which will be from the new sets that I just purchased, the racing red, and then it's the one that has a number on it. And then I'm going to throw some hearts in along with my top coat and base coat from ModelOnes. Now I said to myself that I can do a Valentine's Day look. I can make it nice, I can make it real simple. With this color, I didn't know if I wanted to use that color or if I wanted to use my OPI bubble bath, but when I put on the OPI bubble bath it was just too sheer, and this color just worked fine for me. I'll have this color listed down in the description box. There's no name to it, it's just a number, and I believe it's like 7038, but it's more of a creamy pinkish color, but it's not like a true pink. I like the one coat, but then something inside of me said add another coat, so what you see right here is a 2 coat, and I guess it was okay. So now I'm going to apply these hearts, and the one thing about these hearts that I did not realize is that some of them are like 3D and then some of them are just flat, and I didn't realize that until I started putting them on my nail, and I was like, wait, why is this nail so thick? I thought it was like multiple hearts stacked together in one, like this one right here, but it wasn't like multiple stacked on top of each other. That's just how it was. It was a 3D type of heart. So I had to pour them all out just so I could make sure that I was picking up the ones that were just single flat hearts so that they could lay on the nail. Another thing that I realized after I began to put the hearts on, I said to myself, Self, this color and these hearts are blending together. So I could have just taken the polish off, but then I would have had to file it off because I had already cured it. But you guys will see, it came out looking okay. It wasn't my best, but I was proud of myself that I tried and I just made it work. And yeah, let's just keep watching. And all I'm doing is using my dotting tool, so I'm making sure that there's product on the dotting tool so that I can pick up the hearts. And the product I'm using, of course, is the base coat that I put on the nail, so that's all I'm doing. See, it doesn't look that bad, but you just have to like really look at it so you can see that there's hearts on the nails. Cure it, I then take the top coat and I put the top coat on the nail to seal it in. So right here I'm going to take the red color and do some not more so French tips, but just a little abstract art. Not really, because I'm not an artist, but I'm just making like a slanted line on my thumbnail, and then I'm going to add some little gems, some red gems onto it as well. Applying the little gems, I didn't know really how many I wanted, but for me, whenever I put gems on my nails, it's like, because I can feel it, I don't really like to have that many on there. It's just a texture thing for me. It's like when you do your nails, you want your nails to be nice, soft, even, that type of style, but when you put a gem on it, it's like you're gonna feel it no matter what. So for me, it's always a less best situation. So I just decided to line the gems up along the line of the red. And after I got it to where I wanted it, then I proceed to cure the nail. And then I proceed to add a French tip to the other nails. This is how this hand turned out. I think I did pretty good. I was satisfied with it. It looks like it's a Valentine type of situation. And here's the completed look. I did a very great job, if I do say so myself. So now I'm applying my cuticle oil, and after that I'm going to take my Japanese cherry blossom hand lotion and apply that as well. It's the winter and my hands were feeling it. I mean dry. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to listen to niece Ava. And until I make another video, I'll see you guys then. Bye.
Hit subscribe and turn on in case you give me a huge thumbs up.